Hi guys, it's Yongxin. Welcome to the third week of 28 Days Eat with Who's Kitchen video series. Did you enjoy the theme week from last week? I absolutely love every single one of them. So last week, I gave you guys 21 amazing recipes for the theme week. This week, things gonna be a little bit different again. So for the third week, I'm going to do a hero ingredient every day. So for example, today the hero ingredient is egg. So in your breakfast, lunch and dinner, I'm going to use eggs as your hero ingredient. Do you want to know what I'm going to cook? Right, let's get your breakfast started straight away. So this morning, I'm going to teach you guys make one of my mom's recipe, the steamed egg. So it's really easy, really simple. Everybody in China loves it because we start to eat this dish since we were a baby. So first thing I'm going to do here, I will need 2 eggs. So I'm going to quickly crack 2 eggs in my small pot, and then I'm going to add that in my bowl. So here is the tip. We are going to add 1.5 times of water of whatever your eggs weigh. So here my eggs weigh 113 grams. So I'm going to put in 1.5 times of water. So here I'm going to add in about 170 grams of water. Then I'm gonna add in a pinch of salt. Now we are going to mix everything together. Now I'm going to pour my mixture into my jug. Then we are going to pour the mixture through the sieve. Now I'm going to use some cling film to cover my bowl and let it set for 10 minutes. So this step will help us set all the small bubbles in the mixture. So after 10 minutes, I'm going to put this bowl on my steamer straight away. So now I'm going to turn on the steamer, let the water steam the steamer a little bit, and we'll be back in a sec. So it has been 10 minutes, and now I'm going to quickly pop my egg in the steamer, and I will give you guys another update after 10 minutes. Right, guys, it has been 10 minutes. I'm going to get my steamed eggs out, and we are going to let it cool tiny bit. Have a look. Oh, that's hot. Right, at the same time, I'm going to quickly chop some spring onion. Right, guys, our steamed eggs out, and we actually made 2. And here, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a really simple topping sauce. I'm going to have 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce in my small pot, and then 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Then we are just going to give them a quick mix. And if you just pour 1 teaspoon of the sauce on a steamed egg, you get all the flavors you need. Now I'm going to pour the sauce over my steamed egg. So basically, So basically, you just need to pour a little bit on the egg. And then if you just spin it a little bit, the sauce will just go all over it. Then on top of the sauce, we are going to have a pinch of spring onion. Here is my homemade steamed egg. Now is the most important part. Try my breakfast. Wow. The ball still a little bit hot. Right. See, they're really wobbly. Honestly, wow. Honestly, this is the taste always in my brain all the time because I ate this dish since I was a baby. The silky egg is just so silky, so soft, and the whole thing is so smooth, and it's like a pudding. It's so wobbly, and when you eat it in your mouth, it just melts straight away. Honestly, if you never had it before, I definitely recommend you give it a try. If you had it before and you know how delicious is this dish, and this is the recipe for you guys as well. Right, now I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast. I will see you guys at lunchtime. Bye.